so those are a couple of things that I wanted to point out. I want to also look at this as we're looking at our vision. This is to introduce the world to the real Jesus, one person at a time. The place I want to really dial in with this today is the one person. Now, all of us know that one person. We work with that one person. We live next to that one person. My kids go to school with the parents of that one person. But that one person I want to talk about today is you. Anybody sitting in here today, welcome. Because I think it's really easy to look at every other opportunity, but what do you mean God wants to do something with me, through me? Yeah, I think maybe He does. If you have given Him your life and you say He's in charge, seems like every once in a while we should ask Him, what do you want from me? And move that up the list of priorities. So the vision just keeps us out of reach. It's always something to be working for. But this is also to introduce the world to the real Jesus, one person at a time.